Welcome back. Today we are treating antilogarithms. Antilogarithms is the reverse of logarithm. It as well as a table. That is, you have an antilogarithm table. From the name antilogarithm, it means it is the reverse of logarithm, using the word anti. All right, let's take example. The first example here says we should find the number whose logarithm is this, a. Okay, from here I told you this is a character earlier on, and then this is the what? Mantices. Okay, for antilogarithm, there's something you need to do. If you can remember, for logarithm, we used to have 1 minus the number of digits we have here. But in this case, we have it to be, rather, we used to have whatever number of digits we have there minus 1. But in this case, we have to add 1 to whatever it is you have here. So we have how many digits here? We have 1. So it will now be 1 plus 1, making it what? 2. So this 2 is what will become your number of decimal points that you'll be counting when you have your answer. Okay, for this one, we have points, that is 0.8385. So we go to our antilogarithm table, we take 83 under 8, then difference 5. That is 6887. 6887. Difference 5, that is 8 plus 8. That is 15. 1 plus 8, that is 9. 8, 6. Which gives us 6895. In that case, where do we put our decimal points? And that's where these 2 comes in. So we count 1, 2. That is point. Our point is here. So the answer is what? 68.95. So the antilog of 1.8385 equal to 68.95. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.